If you own a travel trailer, fifth wheel trailer, cargo trailer, anything with a man door on it, and it's a trailer, more than likely it has a lock that looks like this on it. Might be chrome, might be silver, might be gray, might be black, might have a little bit different shape, but it's this lock. This is the most popular lock on trailers in the United States. Been around a long time. FIC started with it, actually Trimark, FIC, Bauer, Global Link, Creative Products. They've all got their version of it. Now, to join the fray, Lippert Components has added one to the mix. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is going to be a box opening, right? You're going to take 25 minutes and say, oh, look at the nice shiny finish on here. Oh, look, the part number is right there for really easy access on the eyes to see it. Yeah, who cares about that, right? We had enough box openings in our lives. Somebody does a box opening is a fool. Let's get the box out of here. All right, let's get down to business, right? This is the lock that Lippert now makes. And by the way, it's a global lock, which is the same brand as this, and global locks rock. These locks are good, and they have great key systems for trailers where you have all your locks the same key. They make a keyless entry one, which I've done another video on that. Very cool product. So now if you're confused, so that's a trailer door. I got a trailer door in the other room, but I really didn't want to bring it in here. It's on a stand, kind of big, clunky. It's not a room where we do videos. But anyway, there's the door. And then you see the lock on it, right? Straightforward. So this lock, what is nice, if you're standing on the ground, you can reach the handle here and unlock the door, open the door, I should say. Now that's pretty cool, right? Or someone who's shorter, they're on the ground, so you don't have to get on the step and be standing right in it. Now, this just mounts the same way this lock does. You know, it's 6 screws. 2 on the end and 4 on the inside. Pretty easy. This is so simple. It makes the video super simple. Seems like I need to talk about more, but there isn't much to say. You just flip the lever. Now, the one thing you should know about, some trailer doors, when you go to get in them, you have to, I don't know how to get this on the camera, but you have to flip the lever and kind of push on the door to get it to release because the door fits so tight. It's probably just a bad made door, you know. New RVs, everything's bad. But they fit super tight. So I honestly don't know how well this is going to work if you have to push that door in to squeeze or pull on the paddle. It might pose a problem down here unless you have 2 hands that just push on the door a little bit and at the same time pull on the handle. I can't do it, obviously, right? Push on the door, flip the handle. So that's for those doors that just fit real tight. You got to push in. You know what I'm talking about. You probably got one of those. You got to push in while you're pulling on the handle. If not, this is definitely the bad boy for you. If your door is like that, it's probably still the bad boy for you. In fact, my trailer has a combination lock or a wireless entry lock, keyless entry, I should say. I'd really like this, but because it's keyless entry, I'm going to leave it alone. So this thing's awesome. Check it out. They're going to be on our website, sunpromfg.com. They're around $100. And it's called the LatchXtend, right there. LatchXtend. Okay? So, that's it. That's a door lock. Isn't that cool, though? Nice. So, go to our website, sunpromfg.com. Check it out. So, I want to thank you for watching this video. I know it wasn't all that exciting, but come back for the next one. Who knows what we might be serving up. Thanks for stopping by.